Hello, my sweet little artists. Today, Bunda Suci is going to teach you step by step how to draw a beautiful flower garden, a pretty butterfly, and fluffy clouds in the sky. Are you ready? Let's start. First, we will draw the flowers. Bunda Suci is going to draw 3 flowers, and guess what? They will be 3 different shapes. How exciting is that? Of course, we won't forget the stems and the leaves. Every flower needs a strong stem and pretty green leaves to grow tall and happy. Wow, your flower looks so beautiful already. What color will you choose for your flower? Red? Pink? Purple? Tell me your favorite color. Next, we will draw a butterfly above the flowers. Start with a small circle for the head, then draw a long body. Now, let's make big wings on both sides. Open wide like this. Can you open your arms like butterfly wings? Flap, flap, flap. Do you like butterflies? Yes? Butterflies are so beautiful, and flowers are beautiful too. They make our drawing bright and happy. Finally, let's draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Great job! Your sky looks amazing. Keep drawing, keep smiling. See you in the next fun drawing adventure with Bunda Suci. Bye-bye!